Hi guys, in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to update latest version of PIP. So first here, opening this place command prompt, and here let's use the serious command first. Now if I write this place pip minus minus version, so here you can see 25 version that install. So in my system, pip 25.3 that isn't there. Now this here I'm going to do the latest getting latest version of the pip. So for this one here, if I write this place, so Python minus minus version. So you can see Python is already installed. Now with the help of this Python, so writing this place Python exe, now minus m, then after write there pip. So pip then there let's write install then minus minus upgrade pip. So with the help of this command you can upgrade the latest version of the pip. So exe then pip install upgrade pip. Let's press enter. So here you need to wait for few second times and requirement satisfied. Now here you can see this is the version. So it was 25. Now here this is 25. Successfully this is currently uninstalling the pip 25.3 version and now install the 26 version. Then after let's see, check here pip minus minus version. So here you can see pip is now 26. It was 25. Now after following this step, this install here 26 version. So this is how we can update or upgrade latest version of PIP. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.